Hello, everyone. First of all, I'd just like to thank everyone for their enthusiastic support for the new series After Socrates, your encouraging comments, and your reflections have been most welcome. It's getting to the point I can't respond to every comment, so I'm just doing that publicly, sort of en masse, but I appreciate the seriousness with which people are taking the series, the way they're engaging with the practices. Which leads me to my second point for making this short video. This weekend, February 4th and 5th, from 1 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, I and Christopher Masterpietro and Guy Sandstock and the whole Circling Institute will be presenting a workshop in which we take you through an ecology of practices that is very much in line with what is being argued for in After Socrates. Meditative practice, a contemplative practice, some circling practices to build a sense of philia, and then we turn that into philosophical fellowship, where we turn it on to a philosophical text and start to direct the philia towards Sophia, and then we do dialectic into Dialogos. You'll see all of these practices talked about and demonstrated in episodes 10A and B of After Socrates, but here is your chance to actually get a good taste of them with us over Zoom. We've done, I think, 4 of these so far. This will be our 5th. We've gotten consistently good feedback. This is helpful to us. This is very much a work in progress. We are building on these workshops, learning from them, trying to improve them and correct them. And that, of course, is feeding back into the work I'm doing, the academic and scientific work and community building work on Dialectic into Dialogos. I'll put the link for the registration into the notes for this video. I sure hope that you can make use of this wonderful opportunity. It goes so well with After Socrates, and it's so helpful to helping spread some of these practices to people who are seeking them out, and to improve these practices so that we can better respond to and perhaps even awaken from the meaning crisis. So thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope to see you this weekend, February 4th and 5th.